Today is the Shvodesh Adar. Shvodesh Adar Hazal Tiras Mishich Nas Adar Marbin Besimcha. Gemara in Tanya Chaptet Amud Aleph. The Gemara says, Hashem, that's like the Mishnah says, Mishich Nas Adar Ma'atin Besimcha. Hashem Nas Adar Ma'atin Besimcha. Kya Mishich Nas Adar Marbin Besimcha. Once Adar comes, we increase the Simcha. Oh, what does it mean? Why Adar related to Simcha? Now, Rashi tells us something very interesting. Rashi says, Yemei Nisim Hayule Israel Purim Pesach. Rashi says these days, Nishas Adar, is days of Nisim, miracles for Israel. What are the miracles? Purim and Pesach. Therefore, we are confronting right now. Purim is coming up, and then Pesach. Very interesting, Rashi. If Rashi is relating the Simcha of Adar, somehow it's not because of just Purim and the Nisim of Purim and whatever that happened on Purim, he connects Purim with Pesach. Then Rashi is answering also why, if it's a nest, we have a lot of Nisim on Pesach, on this one. Why do we relate to Adar? The Rashi is saying Adar is the start point of the Simcha and continues in Nisan. And what is it? Pesach, we have so many Nisim. Why do we need Purim connected to Pesach? Purim, Pesach, what does that mean? Come tell us, as a question on Rashi, what's the connection of Purim and Pesach? Now, everybody knows Pesach was a Zeman that the Rosh Baruch Hu did Nisim, Begilui, very revealed Nisim, changed the Teva, nature. Hashem showed himself directly to Kahal Israel, all of the plagues. Hashem showed himself to Kahal Israel and the rest of the world that I'm God, I'm Hashem. So, Purim, we know that Torah says, Haster et Panai. There's going to come a time that I'm going to hide myself because Kahal Israel are not behaving properly and they don't deserve that I have to have supervision directly over them and I have to hide myself. And that's called Haster, Esther. The Purim is a man that Hashem hides himself. Hashem hid himself. Therefore, that's Purim. Purim is Nisim of Purim. It's hidden. That's why there is no name of Hashem in Megillah. Hashem is not in Megillah. Why? Because our Baruch did Nisim in a way of Teva, nature, made it very covered in nature. And Hakadosh Baruch Hu says that why am I doing that? Because you don't deserve. It's like a mashal. Zohar HaKadosh is a mashal to a king that his son did something wrong, very wrong, and he kicked him out of the palace. After 5-6 months, he said, "Where is my son? My son is a prince. He grew up in palace. What could he do outside? Outside, the robbers, they're going to come after him. They kill him, they destroy him. Tigers come, lions come. What is he doing by himself?" Then he says, "I want to help him. What should I do? If I go as a king to help him, the majesty of a king, king is a trash. He said all of the soldiers and all of the chariot and everything. And if I stay here, I don't like it. Therefore, what does he? Wears a mask to cover himself and goes, ambushes to see where is his son. And if anybody comes to attack the son, he would get up and would fight with him, would destroy them. It's ambushing to watch the son, because he cannot be with him with like a melech, because the melech has a majesty, has a covered honor palace. He cannot be in a desert, in a jungle, in a market, and place to watch his son. Therefore, Zohar HaKadosh says that's Purim. HaKadosh Baruch Hu loves Kahal Israel so much that he came and ambushed himself, and he comes and he hid himself. And whenever somebody comes to attack, he comes and attack them from ambush, from the hidden place. Therefore, what does that show? That shows that HaKadosh Baruch Hu loves for Kahal Israel doesn't stop, doesn't terminate. Even though Hashem says, I hide myself, but still Hashem goes and helps them. Now, Rashi is saying, Simcha, what is Simcha? Rabbi Kamenetsky says people came to America, they went from one state to another state, they look for Simcha. They came to New York, they said, no, it's Los Angeles, that's because here. Rabbi Yochanan said that simcha is a state of mind, not different state of mind, security of mind. Now, when you connect Purim and Pesach together, comes security of our mind. Nowadays, we are living in turbulent life that there is nothing and nothing to create security for a person. Our security comes from HaKadosh Baruch Hu. That's the addressee of security. They were Pesach and Purim together. That shows that Hashem doesn't leave us. Hashem is with us all the time. In the time of the greatness of the Har Yisrael, at the time of His hidden, still He doesn't forget the Har Yisrael. But the fact that we feel, the fact that we understand, we relate to Hashem that is with us all the time, no matter what happens, that creates a security for us. That's the source of simcha. Simcha comes from security of mind, the serenity of the mind. Seeing that you are okay, Hashem is there to protect us, and that creates simcha for all the Har Yisrael.